I did not pursue engineering initially.
So was that when in that trend in that part of your life did you really get your interest in engineering? Was it whenever you were really little, or did it kind of come after you got to the US?
So looking back, I think that I was always intrigued by just mechanical, objects, electronics, and things like that. I always wanted to take things apart and see how they worked and how they came together. But I also had a bunch of other interests, so it never really stood out to me that that is something that I wanted to pursue. So even once I came to the US, I did not pursue engineering initially. I
Really?
thought about other options such as like fashion and merchandising, and thankfully that didn't work out because I ended up, going for engineering. But yeah, it was more of a I ended up there. I was already taking the classes that
Yeah.
other engineering students were taking. And once I found that out, I was just like, okay, so I guess might as well do that. And I loved it. I just, like I said, I was taking classes that I enjoyed and that I was passionate about, and I just happened to discover that they were engineering classes. So.
Yeah. So was this whenever you were in college at Old Dominion?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. So I went to a community college first for the first
Okay.
couple of years, and then I went to ODU for the last two to complete my bachelor's, and
Mhm.
then I did my master's degree also at Old Dominion.
Thank you so much for watching this segment of the Engineering Success Podcast. If you liked it, make sure to check out the other videos down below that are recommended to you. And if you really like the podcast, make sure to subscribe right down there in the middle. Really appreciate it. It's free to you and helps us a lot out. And last but not least, the best way to help the show grow is to comment down below. So leave your comment if you have any thoughts about this segment. Thanks.
I ain't chasing payments, still playing in the basement while I'm working on arrangements. They heard the kid in 50 countries, thank God that's amazing. But I'd rather thank Spotify, they put me on the station.